Status of flora and faunal diversity on Trans-Sumatra Railway Project Development Plan in Indonesia. By Slamet Isworo and Poerna Sri Oetri. Background and objectives. The biodiversity of Aceh is not limited to the four wildlife, more widely encompassing the diversity of animals, fauna and flora. Distribution of high biodiversity is found in mountainous areas, especially mountain slopes and foothills, and in coastal areas of the region with swamp ecosystems on the west coast such as Rawa Singakiltramon and Tripa Swamp. Plans to build and operate a transurban railway line through Aceh and northern Sumatra between Sigli, Bairian, Luksumo, Langsa, Besitang, allowing impacts on flora and fauna habitat conditions on the project site. This research was conducted to find the biodiversity around the project site. Methodology: using the quadrat nest plot approach, which was set on the transect line and involved field surveys, interviews, and literature reviews, data on species and plant counts were gathered. The results include endemic species found in Indonesia and are categorized under protected and endangered species. Results: the construction of the railway line does not have a significant impact on the flora and fauna around the project footprint. There are 3 primate species that utilize the habitat around the project site, that is long-tailed monkey, Macaca fascicularis, Lampung monkeys, Macaca nemestrina, Javanese langur, Trachypithecus auratus, and includes endemic fauna protected by the Government of Indonesia and the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUNC. But the location of the project is just an area for feeding. Conclusions: an assessment of flora and fauna aspects related to prediction and impact evaluation. Activity plans do not affect or interfere with ecological entities. Based on the IUCN extinction status, all wildlife belongs to the IUCN least concern category, except for grasshoppers whose extinction status has not been categorized by the IUCN. In addition, based on observations and interviews, no endemic and endangered animal Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.